Today we're at the University of Twente. We're going to do the Holy Shit Show, which we're going to guide these students to find, let's say, the holy grail of the jobs. 3310, School for Millennials, is for the millennial generation. It's a school where we can teach the skills that we did not learn at school, basically. To be focused on burnout prevention, but also soft skills, professional skills. And for the show, like, what do I actually want? What do I want to do? How do I see my future? I collaborated with Vitamin Z, Simeon, and he stands for how we can fail in a safe environment. We should learn to embrace imperfection. He is a spiritual caretaker, and I thought the combination of his content, part of my experience, and the whole entertainment around it, I think that's a perfect combination.
Holy shit show!
I hope that the students will learn that life is not as predictable as we want it to be, and that we feel confident to embrace things that might not be planned, and that you learn how to focus on what you want, stay close to yourself, no matter what other people expect from you or what they think of you, and that you keep on learning.
The general lesson is that life isn't always smooth and going the way you want it. So we wanted to teach these students 5 lessons how to deal with insecurity, with judgment from your surroundings, all these things that are not really wanted but are probably going to happen. We decided to make these lessons physical, very interactive, so the audience actually was the lesson themselves. By creating a show that gives them language, that gives them experience about the unwanted parts of life, we give them a balance. We create an achievable goal in life.
I really liked the show. It was out of the comfort zone of most people, and that's what I really enjoyed. What I've learned from the show is that in the end you should not be afraid to make choices. You will never know how it turns out.
Life is a holy shit show, that sometimes you have bad decisions, but never stand still. Always go after your dreams or after what you think it's important for you.
I don't think I've ever been in such a thing before. I learned to keep all the things that are important for the future in mind when making decisions.
I think shows like these are really nice to attend for students because they really get to challenge themselves. Where students most of the time just listen to a professor, this show is really an interactive show. I know that a lot of students have struggles with finding out what to do next after their study. It's a maze for them, and this show gives them a feeling like that the maze is not something to be scared of.